Sip. Come outside and see my dog. He's very weird. He loves candy. Well, that kind of candy anyways, nibs. And there he is. His name's Rex. And his tail wagging. Can't really see. But she's getting really stubborn, trying not to look at the camera. Look how cute he is. Just this morning I splashed him with water, that's why he looks so waggedy. Actually wet. Look at my blazer, oh, not mine. Then there's a car, which you can't really see. Oh, for Doug Donaldson, yay! And there's food. There's only food. You can see my shadow. And there's my dog. My doggy dog. No, he's a cute dog. Plus, there's mud. I don't want to step there. Just boil the water. And I forgot to tie him back to his regular routine. So that's why he's all thingy. So I'm going to try to jump over it. Boof! I jumped over. Okay, now I'm on the ground. And there he is. Totally epically bored. So I'm just going the truck. Just so hot in here. Ah! There. Oh yeah. I'm on a ride. Okay. I just got bored, so I'm gonna steer this wheel, which I can't. Sorry about trying to get my headsets. And it's so freaking hot out. And then now I'm gonna go back out. Ah! Stupid headphones. And now you can see my Kia, which isn't mine, it's my dad's. That's my mom. Vancouver's playing, yay! And my dog sitting on the porch. I do not know what that sound was. There's Ritz on the ground, which I think I threw last night when I was walking along. I'm gonna go look for some ants, which it's still pouring out. I saw a couple of ants over here. If you see a mouse, then if you live in Canada or Hazelton, never come to my house. I can't find any ants. Yeah, I think that's an ant. Look at that ant. Can you see the ant? Yeah. There's an ant. Wait. Better go. Bye. That's scary. Say goodbye to the ant.